Ackee and Saltfish. It is more than Jamaica's national dish. It is a symbol of family, tradition, and incredible warmth of Jamaican hospitality. In Kingston, I had the chance to learn how to make this iconic meal, and it wasn't just about the food, it was about the heart of Jamaica, its kind people. Let me show you how Jamaica welcomes you to its table. Oh, I don't think I've ever seen this.
I'm almost sure that you have not.
Yeah.
It's kind of unique to Jamaica. I think it's only one other country or two other countries that may have it.
Yeah. Ackee. I have definitely never seen this before. I know that for sure. Oh, that went to the neighbors.
Oh man, the wrong one went. Oh, by the way, it has to be open. You can't eat it when it's closed like that one.
Alright, so this is no good now.
No,
It has to open on its
yeah,
own.
Yeah, so sometimes we just leave it, and when it opens, then we can eat it, but we can't open
Oh. So if you leave it, it'll still open on its
Yeah,
own if it's
yeah.
good, like
Yeah.
if it's
it.
mature.
It will, it will
Ah.
open on its own. But if you force it open,
Yeah,
you
then
might get poison. When it opens on its own, that means it's ready.
so the black ones are the seeds.
Yeah, and then we're gonna boil them.
I definitely want to see you do that because I'm not even sure what you eat among this.
Yeah, and that's also something that's interesting. Of course, every single time you have to explain the whole thing to them over and over because they just don't get it. What is that? What?
Exactly.
What is it?
Oh yay! I didn't go to the neighbors this time. Oh, oh! Get it! Yes! So you're attempting to not drop them by the neighbors now. This is the fence. There they are. Yay! Got it. I have. It looks like a brain.
What?
Somebody's brain. Look at that.
Inside, we take that little thing. This inside, we take it out.
So it's called picking.
Yeah.
Picking the ashes.
Sometimes I take it out like this so that it doesn't get stuck. But sometimes it does still get stuck and you have to take it out.
Oh. Like this one had already
This
fallen
one,
from the tree.
yeah. So this one, I have to take it out from there.
Ah.
Yeah. Yep. So that's it.
This is totally new to me. Wow. Ackee. It honestly looks like a brain to me. Especially this one has now two sides. Or a heart. Human heart.
It kind of does, right?
Especially this one now looks like a human heart. With the left and right ventricles.
You got it?
Yes. Oh, nice.
Oh yeah, you got it right out.
Yes.
Cool. Yeah.
It was an easy one to get
Yeah.
out. And
They sell
trees.
them at the market and they sell them all over the place. They even sell them in cans. They ship them to the US.
Wow.
And it's a breakfast.
Oh.
Yeah. It's a breakfast. So you wouldn't get it at a restaurant in the afternoon, like say 2 o'clock. No, after that, they will, as a matter of fact, if you want ackee and saltfish, you won't be able to get it after 10 a.m. in the morning.
Wow. So it's a breakfast. It's a national breakfast.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you're a vegetarian, you can literally do this and the breadfruit alone.
And that's it. Oh. There you go.
So this is a saltfish.
Oh. Yeah.
So I boil it,
Yeah.
get rid of the salt. So we have that in. Then we're gonna use all the seasoning and black pepper. That's it.
How long do you boil it for?
I just boil it until I until it cooks, and when it's soft, you know that it's.
So you basically just know when it's cooked, not about how
Kind
much
of,
time.
Yeah.
That's what I was telling my other friend, that it's kind of an African instinct where I just know the right amount of things to put. I don't measure anything. It's just usually.
You don't measure nothing. You're like,
Yeah,
okay, that's
it's just
enough.
like that, and it is usually enough.
Yeah.
So. Right, so you boil the ackee to the texture you want. So after it's done, you may have it softer, you may have it a little bit harder, depending on your preference.
Exactly.
So this is basically shredded saltfish. So now you mix in the saltfish.
I like to put my black pepper.
And add some black pepper.
And then shake. Gotta give us some more. Yeah, I break them up because I don't like them whole.
Oh, okay.
Like, we all do our shit different. Like, some people like them whole.
Completely.
But I don't.
Yeah, I mean, you just know when it needs extra stuff.
Put my black pepper. So I'm going to turn it down now, and then I leave it for a little while to then allow the flavors to mix.
It smells so good already. Yeah, so you add the thyme on top for seasoning.
Yeah, it gives it a nice flavor. I would never add anything else.
Just thyme?
Yeah.
Do the people like the restaurants also just use thyme?
Yeah.
Okay.
You don't have to use it, but I like
It just changes its flavor. Ah, this is so interesting. And then you eat with what is called provisions. In this case, it's potatoes. Just boiled. That's it.
Yeah. Just put a little salt and boil it.
Yeah. Just boiled potatoes. I think you can do any of the other provisions with it, right?
Yeah, you can put yams if you want, or
Sweet potatoes, yams, dashin, which is arrowroots. Yeah. And she's gonna make a dumpling. And it's not the dumpling you're thinking of. It's not a Chinese one. It's not a Chinese diet dumpling. It's a Caribbean dumpling.
Yes, just kneading it some more. And then I'm making 3. 1, 2. Oh, this might be a little bit too big. Now roll it up into a.
I've actually never seen the dumplings being made. I've eaten them, but I haven't seen somebody making them.
That's it. That's the dumpling. Is that how it looks?
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah. That's exactly what it is. Just put it in.
Oh wait, they are boiled?
Yeah.
Okay. Boiled dumplings.
Normally, when you're having fried dumpling, they'll say fried dumpling.
So a dumpling in its original form is boiled.
Boiled, yeah. If they say just dumpling, it's going to be boiled.
Okay.
Because if somebody's giving you fried dumpling, they'll say, "You want some fried dumpling?"
So what did you put in the dumpling?
That's flour, a little cornmeal, a little salt. That's it.
Okay.
Normally, people make it just with flour and salt. But the cornmeal is better to give you a little fiber.
Oh, okay. Oh, they smell so good already.
That's it. I think it's ready now. Six. Sometimes I leave it there for a little longer. I like it well blended.
Put it on low heat.
Yes, really low.
Low heat and leave it to just simmer and blend all the flavors in. So now they're both ready.
Oh.
And it is.
So I hope you like it.
Yeah. I really like the smell, so. Okay, so now I am trying Jamaican's national dish for the first time on my second day here. So it's amazing, you know? And looks so good. Oh, yeah. Sorry. And it looks so good. Look at that. My mouth right now is watering so much. So let me eat now. So this is ackee and saltfish. Wow.
And let it go. Let it savor.
I've definitely never tasted anything like this. The ackee is just completely different.
Because it's I feel like it has a more buttery taste like the ackee.
So it's courtesy of this lovely lady here. True Jamaican
Yes.
and very kind. So thank you so much. This is amazing. See, wonderful people around the world, and you get to try so many new dishes, new foods, and you just enjoy the world. So let me know if you've ever heard of Jamaican ackee before, or if you've ever eaten it. So leave that down in the comments, and if you've ever seen anything like it. Basically, if you're like me, you're probably seeing it for the first time, but that's okay, because now you've seen it and now you can come to Jamaica to try it, because I haven't seen any I haven't encountered it anywhere else after visiting 52 countries. So you have to come to Jamaica to find it.